Right, so let's look at home. Home, where you live. Where you live. The home. Very good. So, a lot of people live in cities in the UK. Cities, Wolverhampton, Birmingham, London, Manchester. Cities. And the houses in the countryside are often bigger, more spacious, and expensive. More expensive. Makes sense. There's more room, more land. More land out there. More land, or space. More space, so they can have bigger houses. Makes sense. But most people live in cities. In towns, towns, villages will mainly have the bigger houses in them. Yeah, there'll be small houses in there too, but around the village, between the towns and away from the cities, will be the bigger homes in the countryside. The countryside. Side of the country. How cool is that? So we have door. Door, like this here. Door. Oh wow, door. Door. Well, perfect. And then wall, like this. Wall, door, wall, and roof. 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 On top of the building, roof. And then the window. A window, a classic. A window. Look out the window, over there. Where the window is, the light. Light shines through the window. And there's all the light. And chimney, now. Chimney, you don't, well, you do. You would get houses with chimneys, but they've changed a lot over the years, from brick to plastic. So we have the roof here, and a chimney sticking out the top there, where in the old days smoke would go out of it. Smoke. So there's a chimney. And there's like a little pipe along here. Chimney. And a fireplace. Have a fire. And that heats the room, and the smoke goes up the chimney and out. Out the roof. Then we have terrace. Terrace. So there's the house here. So like here's the house. There's the chimney. Oh, there's the roof. There's the chimney. So a terrace will be like this bit here, but like patio. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, like a patio you can walk on. A patio. Like maybe there's a nicer area here. Or there are seats. There's a barbecue. Barbecue maybe. Seats, table to eat on. Eat outside. Not quite in the garden, but not in the house. Not on the grass. On the terrace. So here's all the grass. Yeah. And then you have garage, where the car is. Garage. So we have, say, garage like this. And that's where the car stays in the garage. Car inside the garage. How cool is that? And then we have driveway. So here is where the car drives on. And there's the road here. So the driveway. The car drives on the driveway to then go onto the road. Or you can park the car on the driveway in front of the house, in front of the garage. How cool is that? So home. Home is where you live in. A house is your own house. This is my house. That is a home. Then we have door. 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 Wall. Roof. Chimney. Terrace, where you sit and eat or socialise. Garage, where the car is, and driveway. Driveway, where you drive onto as you're leaving or coming into the house with the car. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep going.